Imagine you're saving up for a big purchase, a dream vacation, or perhaps even a down payment on a house. What if there was a way to make your money work for you while you save? Enter Stash, the investment app that promises to make investing simple and accessible. Is Stash really worth it? Or is it just another financial gimmick? Before we dive into the pros and cons, let's understand what Stash is all about. It's essentially a mobile app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds, often with as little as $5. The app offers various investment options, including pre-built portfolios aligned with different risk tolerances and goals. Stash also provides educational resources to help you learn about investing. Pros of Stash. Accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of Stash is its accessibility. You can start investing with a small amount, making it a great option for beginners. The app's user-friendly interface and educational resources make it easy to navigate, even if you have no prior investment experience. Automation. Stash offers automatic investing features, allowing you to set up recurring contributions. This can help you develop a consistent saving habit and stay disciplined with your investments. Diverse investment options. Stash provides a variety of investment options, including pre-built portfolios and individual stocks and ETFs. This gives you flexibility to choose the investment strategy that best suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Fractional shares. One of the unique features of Stash is its ability to purchase fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. This means you don't have to buy a whole share, making investing in expensive stocks more accessible. Educational resources. Stash offers a range of educational resources, including articles, videos, and quizzes, to help you learn about investing. This can be helpful for beginners who want to improve their financial knowledge. Cons of Stash. Fees. Stash charges a monthly subscription fee for its services. While the fee is relatively low, it's important to consider whether the benefits outweigh the cost. Limited investment options. While Stash offers a variety of investment options, it may not be as comprehensive as other investing platforms. If you're looking for a wide range of investment choices, you may need to explore other options. Performance. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and Stash's pre-built portfolios may not always outperform the market. It's important to do your own research and consider other factors when making investment decisions. Is Stash worth it? The answer to whether Stash is worth it depends on your individual circumstances and goals. If you're a beginner looking for an accessible and affordable way to start investing, Stash can be a great option. The app's user-friendly interface, educational resources, and automation features can help you develop a consistent saving habit and learn about investing. However, if you're an experienced investor looking for a wide range of investment choices and advanced features, Stash may not be the best fit. In that case, you may want to consider other investing platforms with more comprehensive offerings. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Stash is a personal one. It's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider your specific needs and goals. By doing so, you can determine if Stash is the right investment platform for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.